This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this video, let's learn about what is auto format, how to use this auto format and convert a range into table. First, let's understand what is this auto format and then we'll work on the exercises. Auto format is actually a tool which is used to format the data quickly and in a simple way. It actually saves the time when we don't want to spend much time on formatting the data. But you should keep few things in mind. When I'm actually using this auto format, it will ignore any formats which are done before. This will apply new formatting as per the format what we have selected in the auto format option. But keep in mind, we have to at least select two cells for applying the format by using the auto format option. Right, let's see how to work on this auto format and convert the range into tables. But before that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, and then you will also get a lot of notifications if you press the bell icon. Right, let's come to this auto format. Now, how to get this auto format option? First thing is, we'll go to this. I have already installed, I've already implemented this auto format here. Suppose if you want to get this auto format to my quick access toolbar, I can go and click on this and say more commands. And here we have something called as all commands or commands not in the ribbon. So any of these options you can just select. Let me select this all commands. And if you just scroll down here, you will get the auto format option. So once we get this, select this and say add, you'll get this auto format. Say OK. Now I'll get the auto format button here. Now how to use this? Select anywhere in my table or in the range. You don't have to select the range. You just put your cursor or select any of the cell in the range. Click on this auto format button. As soon as we click on this auto format button, the entire table is selected, and now you can see there are various different options. Now let's select any of these options. I'll select this classic 2, and if I click on OK, we can see that the table will get formatted exactly like what the format what we have selected. If you want to change this again, we can click on that button and you can select any of the other options. You can see that the data in that range is getting automatically formatted. Right. Next is, we can also have some options enabled or disabled. Let's click on these options. If you click on these options, we can see formats to apply. There are 6 different formats what we can actually apply: number, border, font, patterns, alignment, width and height. Suppose if I don't want to format the numbers, you can just disable this or uncheck this. If I don't want the borders, I can uncheck this. You can see that the borders are not coming here. Now when I click OK, so the borders or the format for the numbers will not be applied. Let's go here and say you selected all these options. So you can enable or disable or check or uncheck any of the options here and can format it automatically. Now after applying this auto format, if you think that I need to remove all the formats which are given and get back to the old format what we have done, so here we have something called as none. So this will remove all the formats applied to the range what we have selected by this auto format. Let's select this and we'll click on OK. You can see that all the formats will be removed. So this is how we can use this auto format and we can format the data. Similarly, we have one more option, that is we can convert the range into table and we can format. Let's go to this insert. Here we have an option called as table. We can also use shortcut key Control T. Just click on this table. You can see that it will automatically select the range like what it selected for auto format. It will ask for my table as headers and also it will give me the range for which the range has been selected. Click on OK. Automatically the table will get formatted. But this format also can be changed. We can see that there is one tab which will get enabled here, which is table design. Now here we have this table styles. Just select this and you can apply any of these formats. Let's apply one of the formats. Just apply this. Now there are so many other options what we can use for formatting this table. Here we have this table style options. Here we have few options here where I can enable or disable. It says header rows. If I uncheck this, you can see that the header is gone. Again, I'll select this, we'll get back that header. I have this filters. If you think that I don't want these filter buttons, I can uncheck this, I'll not get the filters. Similarly, there are many options. Say if you want to get the total row, just click on this total row. That is, I'm trying to enable this. You can see that I'm getting this total. In this case, I have only text, so it is giving me the count of it. If you don't want this, again, uncheck this. The total row, whatever was enabled, that will be disabled. If you think that I want to highlight something, you can go here, select this first column. You can see that it is getting highlighted. That is, it is becoming bold. If you want to highlight the last column, you can go here, select this last column. Banded columns, that is alternative columns here like this. You can see that I'm getting this like this. Let's remove all these options. Now I'll say banded rows. I can remove this as well. So these options are available. If you think that you want to enable or disable, you can select this. This way I can format my data or the range by very quickly and in a simple way without having more efforts on going to format tab and keep formatting all the range what you have selected. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please like this. If the video was useful, please do share this video. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.